Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Mechanical Stream and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video, we are going to check the online conference provided by the AWS, that is the Amazon Web Services. And friend, you can see here, you will get this type of certificate and we are going to check all the details in this conference, what types of things you will learn and how you have to register. So please watch the video complete. So you can see here, friend, we are at the official page of the AWS and you can see here, on the top they have given that is AWS Day Online Conference. And friend, you have to register in this conference before 8 June 2023. So let's check about this AWS Online Conference. So friend, in this conference you will learn AWS Cloud Fundamentals in 3 hours. And friend, you can see here, this conference is a free one-day cloud training delivered by the AWS technical instructor, and it is designed to enable you with AWS cloud concept, core AWS services, and various ways services enable innovation for a variety of new applications and industries to accelerate your success on AWS cloud. And friend, you can see here there is a event highlight is also given. So you can see here the first highlight is the 5 foundational modules you will learn. Then the video tutorials will be there, and there will be a live question and answer session, and you will get the certificate of attendance. So you can see here, this is the sample certificate is given. You will get this type of certificate. And friend, you have the question in mind that why you need to join this conference and who should attend. So let's check it. So friend, you can see, understand the powerful cloud computing advantages of cost saving, speed, agility and scale, and you will get to introduce to compute, storage, database networking and various types of security, and you will also learn how to accelerate innovation using IoT, that is Internet of Things, then machine learning and many more. And you can see who should attend in this conference. So you can see it is ideal for the beginners with no prior cloud knowledge, as well as the IT managers, system engineers, system administrator, developers, architects, and who are eager to learn about cloud computing. So anyone can attend this, whether you are the fresher, college going students, or the experienced professionals. So if you want to increase your knowledge regarding cloud computing, then you can definitely attend this online conference. And friend, at the end we are going to check how you have to register. So you can see here the conference time is given. Friend, this is the online event. So for the various countries they have given the time. So you can see here Australia, New Zealand, then for the Singapore, Malaysia, Philippines, Thailand, Vietnam, Indonesia, Pakistan, then India, Sri Lanka you can also see here, then Korea and Japan. So according to your country you can attend this conference according to time. And friend, you can see what types of agenda is given. So you can see here the first thing you can see here, that is introduction to AWS. So this module covers introductory topics such as cloud, the advantage of cloud computing, cloud deployment models and various types of global infrastructures. And also you can see the second module, introduction to AWS services, that is a computer, storage, various types of databases. So in which you will learn, you can see here, physical and virtual servers, highlight Amazon Elastic Compute, then cover storage, the many scalable, durable and cost effective storage options. And the next module you can see, introduction to the AWS service, which includes network and security. In which, friend, you will learn the things you can see here. So you can see here, this module provides introduction to networking and security and various types of features on Amazon Virtual Private Cloud, that is a VPC, elastic load balancing and many more things you will learn. And in the next module you can see here, innovation with AWS. So you will get to learn about the machine learning, Internet of Things, cloud computing and many more. And in the last module you can see the core summary is given. So at the end you will get the summary of all these one day conference. So these are some details is given. And friend, if you have any question in your mind, at the bottom of this AWS website, you can see there are various frequently asked questions is given. So friend, I have given the link in the description box from where you can easily register for this. And friend, it is a free event, so you did not have to pay any money. And so friend, if you have, you can see here, you have to register this virtual internship program before 8 June 2023. And in the top, you can see the modules are given. So you can see here, for getting the certificates, you can see complete watching all 5 modules to receive a certificate of attendance before 14 July 2023. So you have to complete before 14 July, and you can see the online conference is available in English, Korean and Japanese language. So friends, these are the some question is given. So friend, before going to check how you have to register, if you are not subscribed our channel Mechanical Stream yet, please subscribe. We are making the various types of free certification courses, virtual internship program, and interview tips and other videos. So please explore our channel. We have recently made the various types of internship opportunities available in Amazon company and some other companies you can see like BCG, British Airways, and courses related to the Jira, and also you can see the courses related to the Six Sigma and HP company. So please explore our channel and complete the free certification course depending on your interest area. So you can see this type of certificate is given, and you will get the this certificate after completing this one day online conference. So friend, let's check how you have to register. So friend, for registering, you can see here the link I have given in the video description box. So once you open it, so on the top you can see here register now is given. So you have to simply click on that, and once you click, then this type of new window will appear. So you can see here. So you can see here you have to provide the various things like you can see first name, you have to enter your last name, then you have to select your country like India, United States, or any other country you can select. Then you have to enter your city, postal code, phone number, and after providing these details, you have to tell us a little bit about yourself. So you can see you have to select the either you are the business or personal professional, then job title, your company name, your industry like automotive, computer electronics, IT, or any other, then company type, company size, and other thing you have to enter here. And after that you have to click on this register for your interest. You can see you have to click this checkbox, and after that you have to enter your email address. You have to create one password, and at the end you have to terms and accept their terms and condition. And once you complete these things, you have to click on this register. And friend, once you register, then you will be registered in this virtual event, and you will also get the information of this event on your given email ID. So friend, if you have any doubt regarding this conference, so please comment in the video. We are going to check it and resolve your queries. And friend, please subscribe Mechanical Stream. Thank you.